na-promise sa inyo kasi ayaw ko, parang it leaves a bad taste in the mouth to say it, na pagkatapos ng healthcare, lahat ng patay, libre na rin ang libing. Pangit pakinggan eh. I know that people will appreciate it. Lalo na yung matatanda na may sakit, at least, sige, palamin mo lang si Duterte, namatay na ako. Universal is all. So, universal burial. Hindi ko lang masabi yan. Build. In about, give me until June, July, o pinakasigura September. Yang Cubao, Makati will give you a ride in 5 minutes.